Hello, my name is Tetya Nehil. Today, liquid question solved 26. Remove duplicate form sorted A. Given an integer A num sorted in non-decided order, remove the duplicate in place so that each unit element happens only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unit element in nums. Consider the number of unit elements of nums to be k. To get accept, you need to do the following things. Center a nums such that the first k element of nums contain the unit elements in the order they will present in nums infinity. The remaining elements of the nums are not important as well as the size of the nums. Example 1, nums 1, 1, 2. Output is 2. Nums value 1, 2. Your function is should return k equals to 2 with the first two elements of the nums begin 1 and 2. Example 2 is num 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Duplicate value is removed. Example 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Output is 5. Num's value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your function should return k equals to 5 with the first 5 elements to 4 of nums begin 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return k. For this integer index equals to 1, for loop integer I equals to 1, I less than nums dot size I increment bracket if condition is nums bracket I not equals to nums bracket I subtract bracket nums bracket index equals to I nums bracket I index increment return index. Output is output is 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2 is output. Nums input is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Output is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 values. Code submit.